India's central bank is paying banks to protect themselves against the rupee falling, and analysts think it could pull $75 billion into the country. The Reserve Bank of India announced it would cover the entire cost of currency hedging for banks that attract foreign deposits, essentially offering free insurance against the rupee losing value. That's not how central banks usually defend their currency. The mechanism works like this. Normally, when a foreign investor puts money into Indian bonds or deposits, the bank has to pay to hedge against rupee depreciation. That cost gets passed to the investor, making India less attractive. The RBI just said it would absorb that cost entirely. Pair that with new tax exemptions on government securities, and you've removed the two biggest friction points for foreign capital. SBI Research estimates the package could trigger at least $40 billion in inflows, potentially pushing the rupee back toward 92 to the dollar. Kotak Securities thinks it could reach $75 billion. The bet is that free hedging today costs less than burning through Forex reserves tomorrow, but only if the money actually shows up. Morgan Stanley has released a projection forecasting SpaceX's revenue to reach $3.4 trillion by 2040, according to a Wall Street Journal report. This represents one of the most bullish long-term forecasts ever issued for a private aerospace company. The projection reflects analyst expectations that SpaceX will dominate commercial space infrastructure over the next 2 decades. If realized, this revenue figure would make SpaceX larger than most national economies and establish space infrastructure as a mainstream economic sector. The forecast signals growing Wall Street confidence that commercial space activities, satellite internet, cargo transport, and orbital services will transition from speculative ventures to core components of the global economy.